Lab 1.410 is a simple lab walkthrough that helps you troubleshoot a simple network setup using two laptops and a cable. So down below here, you're going to select this switch, the Ethernet cables. So you're going to select the switch, then open the Create Link tool, then click on Office 1, select Ethernet cable, then click on the switch, select port 1. Click on the home laptop, select Ethernet, then click switch port 2. With that, you have successfully connected. So next we start looking for clues whether we can reach our website via the Office laptop. So you're going to launch Chrome on the Office laptop, then visit mxsupplies.com. Never mind, my Chrome wasn't able to be seen because of the editing. So type in mxsupplies.com, then click enter. So we are checking for clues here whether we have something that is misconfigured. So once you click enter, unfortunately, for us, we were able to reach the website. So this gives us our first clue that something is actually misconfigured. Okay, so let's test the home laptop's internet access. So here we launch the Chrome on home laptop, then visit via Google Chrome, then visit mxsupplies.com. So here when we type in mxsupplies.com, what is our outcome? So I copied and pasted mxsupplies.com and successfully the website loaded. So this tells us that the home laptop works and connects just fine. So that confirms the issue is only isolated to Office laptop. So the issue here, our diagnosis in this case is that the issue is not on the home office, a home laptop, but rather it's on the office laptop. So this is a good step in. Okay, so let's inspect the IP settings and the network interface on office laptop. So then we'll compare for both machines. So in this case, you're going to check the IP configuration on office laptop, then compare with home laptop and inspect the network interface. So we're going to assign a static IP address to the office laptop to restore connectivity. So I'm gonna go about this. So you're going to network and internet settings, then change adapter option, then Ethernet. Okay, then right click properties, then select IPv4 properties. Then you use the following IP address. The IP is 192.168.0.100. The subnet is as follows, and the gateway is as well. So click OK, then close. So we will assign a static IP. So if you've reached here, you're just doing fine. So you're going to relaunch Chrome and then visit the mxsupplies.com website, which loads successfully. Success. So the office laptop can now be reached. Cannot reach this website, and the issue was actually the missing IP configuration, which was well sorted out. So what have we done? We have actually connected devices, we have isolated the issue, we have fixed the IP.